afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
Hi.
I'm good.
I'm
thank
good.
you.
I'm so excited.
So our subject for today is math. And our topic will be about fraction with mixed operation. So can you still remember what are the parts of a fraction? What do we call the upper part and what do we call the lower part of a fraction?
Numerator and denominator.
Okay, very good. We have the numerator and the denominator. So in this lesson, we're going to study about addition with subtraction, multiplication with subtraction, and multiplication with addition. So let's start with addition and subtraction or vice versa. Okay. So in addition and subtraction of fraction, first we need to perform the operation inside the parentheses. Next, if the fraction have the same denominator and the numerator, add the numerators and copy the denominator. If they have different denominators, a common denominator should be found. So example, 7/8 minus, open and close parentheses, 1/2 or 1/2 plus 1/6. So this is our parenthesis. In this equation, you have to solve first inside the parentheses. So let's try. So they have different denominator. What we need to do is find a common denominator of 1/2 and 1/6. What do you think is their common denominator? Using LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 6?
6.
6. Okay, 6. So our denominator will be 6. What will we multiply with 1/2 to get a denominator of 6?
3.
Okay, we multiply it with 3. So let's rewrite the equation. It will become 3/6 plus 1/6. What will be our answer?
4/6.
Okay, it's 4/6. Now we can proceed with the operation outside the parentheses. So let's rewrite 7/8 minus 4/6. Can we subtract 7/8 minus 4/6?
No.
No, so we need to find again a common denominator. So what is the common denominator of 8 and 6?
24.
24. So what will we multiply with 7/8 to get a denominator of 24?
3.
3. And how about 4/6?
4.
4. Okay. So let's rewrite. It will become 21/24 minus what?
16/24.
Okay, 16/24. Very good. And what will be our answer?
5/24.
Okay, 5/24. So if you can simplify, please simplify your answer. Okay. So let's practice. Bring out your paper and pen or paper and pencil. Ready? Okay. 1/2 or 1/2 plus, open and close parentheses, 3/4 minus 5/8. What is our answer?
Got it.
What is your answer? Okay, let's check. So the common denominator of 4 and 8 is 8. So we will multiply 3 and 3/4 with 2. So 6/8 minus 5/8 equals 1/8. And now let's move on to the operation outside the parentheses. 1/2 plus 1/8. Can we do it?
No.
No, so we will find again a common denominator. We will multiply 4. So it will become 4/8 plus 1/8 equals 5/8. Is this your answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's go with the next
Yes.
one. Open and close parentheses. 1/3 plus 3/6 minus 3/4 equals
I got it.
okay.
I got it.
Okay. Everybody done?
No.
Oh, yeah. Yes and no. Okay. Okay, so what is your answer?
1/12.
1/12.
1/12. Okay, let's see if you're correct. 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. Rewrite. 5/6 minus 3/4 cannot be, so we have to change and find the common denominator, which is 12. So it will become 10/12 minus 9/12. The answer is 1/12. Very good. Next one. 8/7 minus, open and close parentheses, 2/3 plus 1/6.
Why?
Finish?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your answer?
13/40.
13/42.
19/42?
13.
Okay, 13/42. Let's find out if it's correct. So we have to find a common denominator for 2/3 and 1/6, which is 6. So we change 4/6 plus 1/6 equals 5/6. And we go outside to perform the operation. 8/7 minus 5/6. So we cannot do it again. We need to find a common denominator, which is 42. So we multiply 8 over 7 with 6 and 5 over 6 with 7. Change. It will become 48 over 42 minus 35 over 42. The answer is 13 over 42. Very good for those who got the right answer. Next, 2/3 plus 3/5 minus 4 over 15.
East.
Easy?
Finish.
Okay.
Yeah, little.
What is your answer?
1.
1.
1. Okay, let's find out if it's 1. Ten over 15 plus 9 over 15 is 19 over 15. So 19 over 15 minus 4 over 15 is 15 over 15 or 1. Very good. So let's move on to multiplication and addition of fraction. So here is our example. 3 over 8 times, open and close parenthesis, 3 over 12 plus 5 over 6. Perform the operation inside the parenthesis. If the fraction have the same denominator, add the numerators and copy the denominator. If they have different denominator, common denominator should be found. Okay, so what is the common denominator of 12 and 6 is
12.
12. So we multiply 5 over 6 with 2. It will become 3 over 12 plus 10 over 12 equals 13 over 12. So proceed to the next operation. 3 over 8 times 13 over 12. So in multiplication of fraction, if we can cancel out numbers, we should do it first. So are there any numbers that we can cancel?
3 and 12.
Okay, 3 and 12. We have 1 and 4. So are there any numbers we can cancel out? No more? Okay, so proceed. 1 times 3 and 8 times 4. What's your answer? What is your
13
answer?
over 32.
13 over 32. Okay. If you can simplify the answer, you can simplify. Is this simplified already?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you understand how to do it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed with the practice. 2 over 3 times 2 over 4 plus 3 over 8.
Finish.
Finish. Okay, is everybody done? Okay,
Yeah.
what is your answer?
7 over 12.
7 over 12.
7 over 12. Okay, let's find out. Multiply by 2. 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8 equals 7 over 8. Proceed to the next operation. Are there any numbers we can cancel?
2 and 8.
2 and 8. Okay, very good. So we have 1 and 4. The answer is 7 over 12. Very good. Next. 1 over 5 times, open and close parenthesis, 5 over 6 plus 1/2 or 1 over 2.
Finish.
Oh, that's fast. What's your answer?
4 over 15.
4
15.
over 15.
4 over 15. Okay, let's find out. Common denominator is 6. We multiply it with 3. 5 over 6 plus 3 over 6 is equal to 8 over 6. So 1 over 5 times 8 over 6. Are there any numbers we can cancel?
8 and 6.
8 and 6. Very good. So we will have 4 and
3.
3. And now let's multiply. 4 over 15. Okay, very good. Next. 2 over 4 times, open and close parenthesis, 1/4 plus 1/2.
Finish.
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 What's your answer?
3 over
3 over 8.
8.
3 over 8.
3 over
Okay, let's find out again if you have the right answer. So what is the common denominator of 1/4 and 1/2?
4.
4. Okay. So it will become 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. The answer is, what's your answer? Are there any number that we can cancel?
2 and 4.
Okay, 2 and 4. The answer is 3 over 8. Next. 1/3 plus 5 over 6 times 3 over 4.
Got it.
Finish.
What's your answer?
7 over 8.
7 over
7
8.
over 8. Let's find out. So 2 over 6 plus 5 over 6 equals 7 over 6. 7 over 6 times 3 over 4 or 3/4. We cancel out 3 and 6. We have 1 and 2. So 7 times 1 and 2 times 4 is 7 over 8. Very good. Now let's move on to multiplication and subtraction. So 3 over 5 times, open and close parentheses, 11 over 12 minus 3 over 6. Okay. So perform the operation inside the parentheses first. If the fraction have the same denominator, add the numerators and copy the denominator. If they have different denominator, a common denominator should be found. Okay, what is the common denominator of 12 and 6?
12.
12. So we multiply it with 2. So let's rewrite. 11 over 12 minus 6
6 over 12.
12 equals. What's the answer?
5 over
5
12.
over
Okay,
12.
5 over 12. Now let's proceed to the next operation. 3 over 5 times 5 over 12. Can we multiply? Can we cancel out numbers?
Yes.
Okay, which one?
1 over 4.
What numbers should we
5 and
cancel?
5.
5 and 5 and 3 and 12.
12.
Okay,
12.
so we have 1 and 4 and 1 and 1.
So
So let's multiply. The answer is
1 over 4.
4 or 1/4. Very good. Simplify your answer if possible. It's already simplified. Okay, let's proceed to our practice. 6 over 10 times 13 over 15 minus 3 over 5.
Finish.
Finish. Okay.
Professor, open your door. He was cute. Oh gosh.
Finish.
Finish. Okay. How about the others?
4 over 25.
Okay, Buwa's answer is 4 over 25. How about the others? Do you have any other answer? Okay, you have the same answer. Okay, the same. So let's find out. So the common denominator of 13 over 15 and 3 over 5 is 15. So we multiply it with 3. We will get 13 over 15 minus 9 over 15. What is the answer?
4 over 15.
Okay, 4 over 15. Let's rewrite. 6 over 10 times 4 over 15. Are there any numbers we can cancel out?
Yes.
What are those numbers?
6 and 15 and 4 and 10.
4 and 10. Okay. Cancel, cancel. Now let's proceed to multiplication. The answer is 4 over 25. Very good. Next.
Tapos
6 over 9 times, open and close parentheses. 5 over 6 minus 8 over 12. What is your answer?
Finish. Finish.
Okay, finish. What is your answer?
1/9.
1 over 9. Okay, let's find out. 10 over 12 minus 8 over 12 is 2 over 12. So let's proceed to the next operation. 6 over 9 times 2 over 12. So we can cancel out some numbers. It's 6 and 12. We have 1 and 2. So we have 1 over 9. Next, 5 over 8 times, open and close parentheses, 4 over 5 minus 1 over 2, or 1/2. What is your answer? Figure.
Finish.
Finish. Boys, done. Okay. Okay, what is your answer?
3/16.
3 over 16. Okay, let's find out. Common denominator is 10. 8 over 10 minus 5 over 10 equals 3 over 10. 5 over 8 times 3 over 10. Cancel. So we have 3 over 16. Very good. Next, 2 over 7 minus 2 over 14 times 7 over 8. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, what is your answer?
1/8.
1 over 8. Let's find out. Okay, 2 over 14 times 7 over 8. Cancel out. Cancel out. The answer is 1 over 8. Very good. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson for today. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys,
Do you
I need to
have
leave
any
now.
questions?
No.
No.
Okay, so that's all for today, and I'll see you again
No.
next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you.